In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request time off in Homebase using the web interface. Whether you're planning a vacation, need a day for personal errands, or just wish to recharge, it's important to know how to properly submit your request to ensure it gets handled smoothly. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can make your time off request with confidence. First things first, you need to log into your Homebase account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This dashboard is where you can manage various aspects of your work schedule, so you'll be spending quite a bit of time here. Now, to make a time off request, direct your attention to the lower right-hand side of the screen. You should spot an option that says Request Time Off. It might be located in the section that also shows your upcoming time off requests, which is a handy spot to keep track of what you've already planned. Once you click on Request Time Off, you'll be taken to a new screen. This is where you'll fill in the necessary details for your time off request. It's quite straightforward, but let's delve into it a little deeper to make sure everything is clear. You'll start by specifying whether you need to take a full day off, or if you're just looking to step away for a part of the day. Perhaps there's a doctor's appointment you need to attend, or some other commitment that requires only a few hours away from work. Make sure to select the option that aligns with your need. Next, you'll need to input the exact dates or times for your time off. Be precise here. Accuracy is key to ensuring there's no confusion down the line. For example, if this is a multi-day request, double-check that your start and end dates cover the entire period of time you need. Additionally, you'll see an option to categorize your time off request. This might include choices like vacation, personal time, or sick leave. Selecting the right category not only helps your manager quickly understand the nature of your request, but also may be important for HR purposes. There's an option to leave an optional memo. While not required, it's a good idea to briefly note any pertinent information that might be beneficial for your manager to know. Whether it's a reminder of a prior conversation about this request or an explanation of the necessity, a little context can help expedite the approval process. Once all fields are filled to your satisfaction, your final step is to hit Add. But remember, submitting the request is just the beginning. It must be approved by your manager before it can be finalized. Keep an eye on Homebase notifications or communicate directly with your manager if there are any questions or further steps required. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to requesting time off on Homebase. By following these steps, you'll ensure your request is processed efficiently, letting you securely make plans or address personal needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.